So guys, I had a glitter dumpling and the screen. Usually it's broken, but it's okay. And I got more. So let's open this mini one. Let's go. It's a blue one. Oh, it's a clicker. Cute. Okay, I love it. So what about this? Let's open. And usually, tinanggal ko na yung mga parang papel. Kakainis. Tatanggal. I got the glitter. Glitter dumpling. Kisses. It's kisses. Dumpling yan siya. Okay. I love it. Dalawa na glitter dumpling ko. Okay. Let's move to this one. It won't please be the gold. Glitter! It's glitter, guys. Wait lang. Glitter yan, no? Oh, glitter. May glitter. Glitter yan, guys. Okay, I love it. Let's move to the next one. Lahat mini dumpling, no? Let's move to the last dumpling. Sana makuha ko yung blue and purple and pink. Let's go. Again. Why dalawa? Okay, please. Pinaghala yung color! Di ba sabi ko kanina? Blue, purple, pink. Glitters. Yaman na yung glitter. Bye. Bye, yo.